For thousands of years, Stonehenge has stood as one of the most mysterious and captivating structures in the world. A prehistoric monument built with enormous stones, some weighing up to 25 tons. Yet no written records explain its origins, its purpose, or the incredible engineering that made it possible. Was it a temple? A celestial calendar? A site of healing? Or something even more extraordinary? In this video, we'll unravel the latest discoveries, explore fascinating theories, and dive deep into the brilliant minds that created this ancient wonder. Stay tuned, because the secrets of Stonehenge are more mind-blowing than you ever imagined. 1. A monument of legends. Stonehenge, located in Wiltshire, England, is estimated to have been built between 3000 and 2000 BCE. The massive stone, some transported from over 150 miles away, arranged in a circular pattern. Aligned with the movements of the sun? But why? Ancient myths suggest that giants built it, that Merlin the magician conjured the stones into place, or that extraterrestrials had a hand in its construction. While these legends are fascinating, modern archaeology has provided more concrete, though no less intriguing, to the engineering marvel. How was it built? One of the greatest mysteries is how ancient people, without modern tools, managed to construct such an impressive site. Recent discoveries suggest they used a combination of sheer manpower, wooden sledges, and rolling logs to transport the enormous sarsen stones. A groundbreaking 2022 study by researchers from University College London recreated these methods using ancient techniques. They found that placing the stones on wooden sleighs and dragging them across specially prepared tracks with grease significantly reduced friction, making transportation more efficient than previously thought. Another 2023 discovery revealed traces of a long-lost stone quarry in Wales, further confirming the theory that the smaller bluestones were moved over vast distances by both water and land routes. This suggests a highly organized and cooperative society capable of complex logistics. 3. The purpose. Solar alignment or healing powers. One of the most striking features of Stonehenge is its astronomical precision. During the summer solstice, the sun rises perfectly in line with the heel stone, casting an eye-inspiring shadow through the monument. A 2023 study published in Nature Astronomy provided new evidence supporting the idea that Stonehenge functioned as a solar observatory, allowing ancient societies to track the seasons for agricultural purposes. This suggests the monument played a vital role in early farming societies that depended on celestial cycles for planting and harvesting crops. But that's not the only theory. Some researchers believe Stonehenge had a spiritual or healing purpose. A 2024 study analyzing burial remains near. The site found that many of the skeletons belonged to individuals with serious injuries or illnesses. This has led some archaeologists to propose that Stonehenge was an ancient healing center, drawing the sick and wounded from across the land. 4. The mystical energy. A power center. For centuries, Stonehenge has been linked to mystical energy. Many visitors report a strange sensation when standing within the circle. Could it be electromagnetic forces? Or is it just the power of human belief? Recent research by geophysicists in 2024 detected subtle electromagnetic anomalies around the monument. Some researchers speculate that the unique arrangement of the stones might amplify natural earth energies, similar to other ancient sites around the world. While this theory remains controversial, it adds yet another layer to the enigma of Stonehenge. 5. Theories that challenge everything we know. While the mainstream theories focus on astronomical alignments and social functions, some researchers propose even wilder ideas. Could Stonehenge have been an ancient sound chamber? A fascinating experiment in 2023 explored the acoustics within the stone circle. Researchers found that the stones create an echo chamber effect, amplifying sounds in a way that suggests it could have been used for chanting, ceremonies, or even music. This could mean that Stonehenge was a site for ritualistic experiences, where sound played a crucial role in spiritual or communal gatherings. And then there are those who question whether Stonehenge was built where it stands today, or if it was relocated. Some archaeologists speculate that earlier versions of the monument may have existed elsewhere before being moved to its current location. 5. A hidden underground structure. Just when you think Stonehenge has revealed all its secrets, recent ground-penetrating radar scans have uncovered evidence of a massive underground structure beneath the site. A hidden network of pits, ditches, and possible buried stones suggests that the landscape around Stonehenge is far more complex than we ever imagined. Could this be the key to unlocking its true purpose? Despite centuries of research and the latest scientific breakthroughs, Stonehenge remains a captivating mystery. Was it an ancient calendar, a healing sanctuary, a center of energy, or something even more profound? Perhaps the truth is a combination of all these ideas, or something we have yet to discover. One thing is certain: Stonehenge continues to inspire wonder, curiosity, and endless exploration. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of history's greatest enigmas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think Stonehenge was really built for? Let's unravel the mystery together.